Living in Maricopa has many benefits, from wide-open desert views to the warm climate that draws families year-round. But homeowners here also know the challenges that come with desert living: dust and allergens. Dust storms, dry air, and seasonal pollen can quickly find their way indoors, impacting both comfort and health. One of the most effective ways to combat these issues is by upgrading to modern windows. Today's window technology is designed not only for energy efficiency but also to create a healthier, cleaner indoor environment. How dust and allergens enter homes. Dust and allergens often make their way into Maricopa homes through the weakest points of the building envelope, and windows are a major culprit. Air leaks and gaps. Older windows often have worn-out seals or warped frames that allow dust to seep indoors. Poor filtration. Drafts carry pollen, dust, and even fine desert sand into living spaces. Outdated designs. Single-pane windows or outdated frames aren't built to withstand the harsh, dusty environment of Arizona. This constant infiltration not only leaves surfaces dirty but also affects indoor air quality, aggravating allergies and respiratory issues. Sealed tight. Modern window technology. Modern windows are built with advanced sealing systems that dramatically reduce dust and allergen entry. Double and triple pane glass. Multiple panes create a more insulated barrier, making it harder for particles to get inside. Improved seals and weather stripping. High-quality materials prevent air leakage and block fine dust from entering through tiny gaps. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad frames resist warping, maintaining a snug fit over time. These upgrades ensure your windows act as a strong barrier against outdoor contaminants, keeping your home fresher and cleaner. The health benefits for Maricopa families. Cleaner indoor air has a direct impact on your family's well-being. Reduced allergy symptoms. By keeping pollen and dust outside, modern windows help minimize sneezing, itchy eyes, and congestion. Better respiratory health. Fewer airborne particles mean easier breathing, especially for those with asthma. Improved sleep quality. A cleaner, dust-free environment promotes healthier, more restful nights. For families in Maricopa, where desert dust and seasonal allergens are part of daily life, these health benefits make modern windows a smart investment. Easier cleaning and maintenance. Older windows tend to collect dust not only inside but also within tracks and frames, making cleaning a constant chore. Modern windows simplify maintenance. Tilt-in sashes. Double-hung designs allow you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. Smooth frames. Vinyl and fiberglass resist dust buildup and are easy to wipe down. Protective coatings. Some glass options include treatments that repel dirt, reducing how often you need to clean. This means less time dusting and more time enjoying your home. Added comfort and energy efficiency. In addition to reducing dust and allergens, modern windows improve overall comfort in Maricopa homes. Consistent indoor temperatures. Sealed windows prevent drafts, reducing hot and cold spots. Lower energy bills. Insulated glass and reflective coatings reduce heat transfer, easing the load on your HVAC system. Noise reduction. The same technology that blocks dust also minimizes outdoor noise, creating a more peaceful environment. This combination of benefits makes modern windows a true all-in-one upgrade. Final thoughts. For Maricopa homeowners, dust and allergens are a persistent challenge, but modern windows provide an effective solution. By sealing out unwanted particles, improving indoor air quality, and reducing cleaning needs, these windows create healthier, more comfortable living spaces. Add in their energy-efficient design and stylish appearance, and it's clear why upgrading is a valuable investment. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to maintain, now is the perfect time to explore modern options. With professional installation, you can enjoy clearer views, cleaner air, and lasting comfort in your Maricopa home.